हेलो हाय फ्रेंड्स, आपका होस्ट और दोस्त अंकित मलिक गुड़गांव माई शॉप डील से। आज हम जा रहे हैं एक फ्लोर्स का रिव्यू करने ऑन द गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड बाय वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रीमियम ब्रांड ऑफ द दुबई which have bring up the product in there. So currently I am standing in front of the world mark, which is Bharti world mark on the golf course extension road. So it is just connected with this Bharti world mark and it is very nearby to this commercial. So Bharti world mark में सारी चीज़ already operational है. Your beauty, your restaurants, your shopping centers and everything. And now we are going to the product of the MR, which to show you the exact things which are available currently. तो अगर हम इस लोकेशन की बात करें तो गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्राइमस लोकेशन. और अगर हम रेडी टू मूव इन ऑप्शन के बाद बात करें तो दिस इज़ द ओनली ऑप्शन इन द फ्लोर्स ऑप्शन विच आर इन द रेडी टू मूव इन ऑप्शन ऑन द गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड. सो ये लोकेशन एक बहुत प्राइमस्ट है बिकॉज भारती वर्ल्ड मार्क तो इट इज़ जस्ट सराउंडेड विद दिस MR classic floors. At the back side of this we have the M3M Golf Estate with the Sant Andrew Tower. और अगर आप और बैक साइड में थोड़ा देखेंगे तो there is a construction of Trump Towers also at the back side of it which is going on. तो आपकी जो vicinity है, आपका जो सर्कल है, that is also very primest. और इस साइड जो आप ये प्रोजेक्ट देख रहे हैं, there also the MR floors which are also the ready to move in and they are already handed over the पोजीशन. तो अगर हम लोकेशन की बात करें तो इसकी एंट्री है आपकी वर्ड मार्क वाली रोड से, जो हम वर्ड मार्क की सेक्टर रोड है उससे जस्ट एंटर कर रहे हैं फॉर दिस फ्लोर्स. एंड दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल डिज़ाइन ऑफ द फ्लोर्स. तो अगर आप बात करें तो दे आर वेरी लिमिटेड यूनिट्स ऑन दीज फ्लोर्स and we are going inside of these floors. So on the ground and first they have with the duplexes, and on the third and fourth floor you have the layouts of the floors of the size of 2000 and 2050 square feet. So we are going inside the project. Let me take you through the inside of this project of MR Classic. So just going inside. So this is the main entry. So this is the security check at the first level of the entry. These are the gated floors where you can enter. It's a beautiful design, beautiful layout, beautiful facade of the project. So we are just going inside of that. यही बात कर दे. So we are parking the car here only and then taking you the inside of this project to show you the size layout of the available inventories. So let's take the things ahead. So just within a minute we are just entering inside the thing. So this is the entire garden area, the green area which is being available there, and we are just going to have a look of the, see, this is the landscape garden which you are seeing it here at the front. A beautiful landscape design from here. You're seeing it here. This is the amphitheater. From this corner at the back side you have the world mark. This is the world mark at the back side of this. This is the entire green landscaping which has this campus. Backside is the Trump Tower, M3M Golf Estate. So this is a facade of the Emerald Classic floors in sector 65 on the golf course extension road. So we are just going inside of the product to give you the exact size of the inventory. So ground floor and first floor has the duplexes of area 4000 square feet. These are basically the 5-bedroom duplexes. You can see this is the lobby, and let me take you the inside. See the finishing of the lobby. It's a 30 feet double height lobby, totally finished, well finished. And this is the another side. It is also the double height. So we are going on to have a look of the actual thing which are being available there. So these are sector 65 MR classic floors of area 2000 square feet. having 3 bedroom plus servant quarter. So यहाँ से you get an idea about the grandeur of the lobby. So यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं 30 feet की lobby on the ground floor to cater the entrance of all the duplexes and the apartments. So now we are going to have a look of the floor which is available. Of the size of 2000 square feet, it is a 3 bedroom with servant quarter. And we are on the first floor now. We are just going on the second floor. तो ये बैक साइड से आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज अ कंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर द ट्रम्प टावर विच इज गोइंग ऑन. और ये पूरा M3M गोल्फ एस्टेट सेंट एंड्रयू टावर है विच यू आर सीइंग इट हियर on the back side of it. So this is the floor, and we have only 4 apartments. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, and we have 2 lifts lobby. So we have 1 lift this side and 1 lift this side. So now we are entering in one of the apartment to show you. So this is the servant quarter which you are seeing it inside. This servant quarter has their own washroom, and it has a window for the ventilation. So let me take you inside. So see the door height. It's a very well door height. Then we are entering in the living and dining area. So this is the living area. What will be approximately height of this? 11 feet के आसपास. Clear cut height of 11 feet of the living and dining area. Imported marble flooring on the living and dining area with the fitting fixtures, and see the view from the balcony. So this will be the view from the balcony. So these are the visitors parking, and that is a basement. So this is a view from the apartment facing the beautiful Trump Tower, the clubhouses, and the golf estate green area with the parking area. So now this is the living area and dining area. The size is 2000 square feet. So this is the kitchen. You will get the fully modular kitchen with the upper cabinet, lower cabinet, chimney, hob, and everything. So after kitchen
We will also have utility balcony.
Yeah, we are going to show you the utility balcony also of a very great size. This is your tap point and everything. So this balcony also has a great view of the MR Emerald Classic floors. Now the length of the balcony is also very good. So if you look up the length, it is a rectangular and it is a very good size. Now
Family lounge.
we are having a look of the family lounge. So this is the family lounge, a very spacious size. And after family lounge, we have divided 3 bedrooms. So this is the first bedroom, this is the second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. So let's enter the first bedroom after the family lounge. So this is the first bedroom. You will get the AC in this bedroom.
ACs along with laminated wooden flooring.
So you will get the AC of Voltas AC. You will get inside the product. You will get the laminated wooden flooring, and washroom you will get the fully modular with all the
Roca fittings.
with all the Roca high-end fittings you will get inside the washroom. So this is the first bedroom. It is a well ventilated because the balcony is also open, and it has a proper ventilation in the first bedroom also. So let us take you ahead in the another bedroom to have an idea about the product. So this is the common washroom which can be used by your guests coming in the living and dining area. This is the area where you can develop your wardrobe or some shoe racks work also in this part, or you can design the temple or something like that here. So this is also the common washroom for the people using in the living and dining area, and here comes with the another bedroom. So this is the third bedroom which has a decent size. It has a balcony attached with it, a AC attached with it. So I'm showing you the view from the balcony. So this is the view from the balcony of the another bedroom. So This is M3M Latitude, M3M Golf Estate, St Andrew Towers, and the Trump Towers, which is again a iconic in itself. So this is the view from the another bedroom balcony, and they also have the laminated wooden flooring and the AC inside the second bedroom. Now let us take you inside the third bedroom. So it is a very decent size.
This is the master bedroom and the size is 18.8 by 10.10.
10.8 by 18.8.
18.8 by 10.10.
10.10 तो लगभग ये प्रॉपर रेक्टेंगुलर है और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि इसका जो कैविटी एरिया है वो दीवार के अंदर है. इट इज़ इनसाइड द वॉल. तो जब आप वार्डरोब बनाएंगे तो आपका जो एरिया यूजेबल एरिया रहेगा बेडरूम का वो 100% यूटिलाइज होगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे हैड गिवन द कैविटी इनसाइड द वॉल. प्लस आपको वुडन फ्लोरिंग मिलेगी इन द बेडरूम एंड आपको वॉशरूम मिलेगा फुली डन अप विद ऑल द फिटिंग फिक्सचर ऑफ द ग्रोहे. So this is the another balcony attached with the master bedroom. So master bedroom also has a decent sized balcony and a decent sized look. So while standing in the balcony of master bedroom, you will face the Trump Tower. So they will be your neighbor in the coming time duration. So it's the same thing which you are having the product facing the Trump Tower. So it is again a privilege for you. So that is all about the master bedroom. Another cavity with the washroom. So two bedrooms have attached washroom and one bedroom has a washroom which is common with the living dining area. So अगर हम इसके एरिया की बात करते हैं तो how much is the area? It is 2000 स्क्वायर फीट. तो लगभग 2000 स्क्वायर फीट का साइज है. 3 बेडरूम प्लस सर्वेंट क्वार्टर है. फुली लोडेड अपार्टमेंट है. आपको इटालियन मार्बल, AC, मॉड्यूलर किचन, वॉशरूम फुली लोडेड मिलता है और के साथ साथ आपको वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्राइमस लोकेशन मिलती है. योर अपार्टमेंट फेसेस द ट्रम्प टावर. दैट इज द प्रिविलेज विच यू गेट इनसाइड दिस बाइंग दिस प्रोडक्ट. वर्ड मार्क आपके पास है, हैबिटेबल है आपकी सोसाइटी और इट्स अ वेरी लो डेंसिटी प्रोडक्ट. सो लेट मी शो यू द अनदर पार्क एंड द ओपन एरिया. तो अगर आप ओपन एरिया की बात करें तो यू हैव द very limited inventories in this product and you enjoy the green area of the campus also. So this is the front view of the project. तो बैक साइड में ये आप पूरा वर्ल्ड मार्क देख रहे हैं और दिस इज द एंटायर ग्रीन एरिया विच यू कैन रिलैक्स, विच यू कैन रिजॉयस. अ ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केपिंग, ब्यूटीफुल लाइटनिंग, everything would be done up and they will share a common club with Emerald Estate. So Emerald Estate के club की access भी you will get that, so that you can share the common club with the Emerald Estate. Plus MR का एक और super club है 2 एकड़ का. If you would like to take the membership in that club also, then also you can take. It costs approximately I think 1 lakh. 60.
70,000 for 19 years.
70,000 for 90 year, which is a 2 acre club by MR in sector 65. And you name the facility, you name the specification, everything is there I think inside that clubhouse. So if you are looking to buy the product which is about to hand over possession, तो इसका occupancy certificate आने वाला है and they are left only with the 2 inventories of 2000 square feet size. So अगर आप sector 65 की location में देख रहे हैं for the branded product like MR, so this can be the perfect product which meets your requirement. So lifts are also being there of one of the quality and the 2 lifts are sufficient on the second floor. So we will show you one clean apartment also. So यहाँ से भी आपको idea लग जाएगा. तो ये same quality of doors you will get inside it with the servant quarter, fitting fixtures. This is the living dining area with the 2 AC in the living dining area, Italian marble, balcony with the living dining area. With the kitchen, well ventilated kitchen. तो थोड़ा सा ये clean unit है तो we are showing you this unit also. तो kitchen भी आपको all done up मिलेगा, lower cabinet, upper cabinet, chimney, hob, everything. And this is the look of the 3 bedrooms and family lounge. So this is the family lounge. Along with the family lounge, you have this another bedroom, first bedroom with the well ventilated balcony, washroom. Second bedroom has a common washroom, which is again has their own balcony. So well ventilated balcony. And the third bedroom. Master bedroom has a very big size. अगर आप मास्टर बेडरूम के साइज़ की बात करो तो इट इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट साइज, सो इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्रोडक्ट. सी द वॉशरूम एरिया ऑफ द मास्टर बेडरूम. It will be the very big size of master bedroom with all the fitting fixtures and great size. It is one of the finest size, and the view from the balcony, of the, so that is the product all about. And thank you so much. For any more queries, contact my shop deal team to know more. So stay safe, take care, thanks everyone.